Welcome to a rainy weekend in South Korea. I was blessed enough and privileged enough to live in a location where the rain didn't cause any flooding, but broke the hot tension just for a bit. And like always during this weather, I take advantage of the not so humid environment and go out for a stroll to my favorite location, a cafe, to eat cake and coffee like I always do. Now, in my mind, I'm walking to the cake and I'm walking from the cake or away from the cake. So in my mind, the cake has been neutralized. One thing I did notice, however, is my favorite area has been closed for the day. This is mainly I do for the rainy weather and the flooding, considering this is below street level and there's water. So I gazed upon it from above and it was still very beautiful and peaceful. I was very excited when I got the idea for how I wanted to record and edit the next section of me just eating cake, tiramisu cake to be exact. I really like the world after a little bit of rain. It appears different. The light, softer. Perhaps the filter effect of the clouds. A gloss of the wetness covering the surface. And as I found myself on a familiar route, going to a familiar shop, buying familiar ice cream, and seeing interesting bread. I really want to try those peel banana breads, but I found my peanut butter ice cream, and to my sad realization as I record this voiceover, these were the last two I'd ever find. I used the exact same clip as my previous video because when I recorded this, the bus was empty, and on this day, the bus was not. And I don't want to make people uncomfortable by recording their faces. As the heat apparently wasn't hot enough, I decided to walk home, and as the loud cicadas accompanied me, I walked through a very beautiful park with treetops as high as the eye can see. And that is an exaggeration, but it felt like that. I liked how the trees made natural umbrellas, shading me and keeping me cool from the hot sun.